Ayan, magandang araw sa ating lahat, mga idol at mga kababayan. Nung nakaraan ay inihatid ko po sa inyo yung panibagong resulta ng isinagawang survey ng Archlight Facebook page na kung saan ay nangunguna po lahat at pasok po lahat ng pambato po ng PDP laban, mga idol, o pambato na kandidato ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ayan. Hindi po nakapagtataka, mga idol, na kung bakit laging pasok ito pong mga kandidato ng PDP laban sa mga isinasagawang survey, sapagkat ayan po, makikita niyo po sa screen kung gaanong karami na mga Pilipino yung nagmamahal at sumusuporta po sa mga kandidato ng PDP laban, mga idol. Ayan. At ngayon nga po, mga idol, ay itong mga kandidato ng PDP laban ay aalamin natin kung ano yung kanilang mga tunay na pagkatao. Kasi ang alam lang natin sa kanila ay yung kanilang mga itsura. At yung kanilang mga tunay na pangalan ay hindi po natin alam. At kaya ngayon po ay aalamin po natin yung kanilang mga tunay na pagkatao. So simulan po natin dito po kay Congressman Marcoleta. Ayan. Political party, independent po siya, pero inadapt po siya ng PDP. Ayan, inendorse po siya ni dating Pangulong Duterte. Basic information, ayan, yung kanyang edad po ay 71. At residente po siya ng Cainta, Rizal. Ayan, sa education naman tayo. Nag-college po siya sa San Sebastian College of Law. Ayan, Bachelor of Law, mga idol. So, kaya hindi po natin ipagtaka kung bakit naging abogado itong si Congressman Marcoleta. Postgrad, Masters in Business Administration, University of the East. Doctor of Public Administration, University of the Philippines, NCPAG. Job, lawyer, member of Iglesia ni Cristo, guest 2025 senatorial candidates PDP laban, member Unity Alliance noong 2022 po, mga idol, at member PDP laban noong 2021 hanggang 2024 po, mga idol. At government experience, senatorial candidate 2022, representative Sagip Party List 2016, representative Alagad Party List noong 2004 hanggang 2013. Bills pass ay yung kanyang mga naipasang batas, mga idol. House Bill 7104, 14th Congress, an act renaming the Commonwealth Avenue into Eranio G. Manalo Avenue. House Bill 1134, 15th Congress, an act establishing the OWP of OWH, Social Security and Retirement System. House Bill 825, 17th Congress, an act defining political dynasties and prohibiting its establishment. House Bill 8400, 19th Congress, Trabaho para sa Pilipino Act, Family Members and Politics, Paulo Henry Marcoleta, yung kanyang anak na lalaki, mga idol. First nominee sa Sagip Party List. Ayan. So, isunod po natin itong si Raul Lambino, mga idol. Ayan, si Raul Lambino naman po. Political party, PDP Laban. Basic information, yung kanyang edad po ay 67 na mga idol. At residente po siya ng Mangaldan, Pangasinan. Education, ayan, college, Bachelor of Arts, Political Science, University of Pangasinan. Bachelor of Laws, University of Pangasinan. Postgrad, Masters in Business Administration, University of the Philippines, Diliman. Ayan, yung kanyang job, lawyer, International Affairs, Sherman, PDP Laban, Law and Political Science, Professor. Lead Convenor, P. Duterte, Constitutional Reformers, 2016. Former member Lakas CMD. Dati pala siyang miyembro ng Lakas CMD. Government Experience, Administrator, Cagayan Economic Zone Authority noong 2018 hanggang 2002. Presidential Advisor for North Luzon, 2016 to 2002. 2018 to 2002. Senatorial candidate noong 2010. BP for Constitutional Reforms, Philippine Constitutional Association noong 2006 hanggang 2008. Policy Focus Platforms, Food Security, Educational Reforms, ayan, against impeachment of BP Sara Duterte. So yung pangatlo po ay ito pong si Vic Rodriguez, mga idol. Ito pong si, yung kanyang tunay na pangalan ay Victor Rodriguez, mga idol. Attorney. Ayan, political party, independent, pero inadapt din po siya ng PDP Laban, mga idol. Basic information, yung kanyang edad po ay 50. Residente ng Quezon City. Ayan, education, college, Bachelor of Laws, University of Santo Tomas. Postgrad, National University of Singapore. Job, Managing Lawyer, Rodriguez and Partners Law Firm. President, Quezon City Trial Lawyers League. Former Treasurer, UST Law Alumni Foundation. Former Deputy General Counsel, Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Co-founder, saksi ngayon. Former Executive Vice President, Partido Federal ng Pilipinas. Former spokesperson and Chief of Staff ni Bongbong Marcos. Ayan, government experience. Executive Secretary to the President noong 2002. OIC, Community Relations Office, Quezon City Government noong 2010. Barangay Sherman, Barangay Sacred Heart, Quezon City noong 1992 hanggang 1996. Ayan, Policy Focus Platform, Peace and Order, War versus Drugs, National Sovereignty. Ayan, doon naman po tayo kay JB Hinlo. Ayan, ito pong si JB Hinlo ay yung kanyang political party ay PDP Laban. Basic information, yung kanyang edad po ay 53 at residente po ng Bacolod City sa Negros Occidental siguro ito. Education, college, Bachelor of Arts and Political Science, University of Santo Tomas. Bachelor of Laws, University of Negros Occidental, Recolectos. Job, lawyer, Deputy Secretary General for Visayas, PDP Laban. Negros Occidental Council, President PDP Laban. President Partido Federal, ng Pilipinas noong 2018. Co-founder Philippine Development Movement. Co-founder Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte, National Executive Coordinating Committee. At yung kanyang government experience ay Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission noong 2002, mga idol. Member of the Board of Directors, Land Bank of the Philippines noong 2017 hanggang 2002. Undersecretary for Public Safety, DILG, noong 1998 hanggang 2016, mga idol. Policy focus o yung kanyang platforms, mga plataforma. Ayan, amending the Data Privacy and Bank Secrecy Law, include Philippine patriotism and ethics studies in the curriculum from kinder to college, pushing for personal and corporate income tax reform, push for anti-corruption policies. Ayan, against to impeachment of VP Sara Duterte. So, sunod po natin, ito pong si Jimmy Bundok, mga idol. Ayan, si Jimmy Bundok po, political party, PDP Laban. Yung kanyang edad po ay 49 at residente po siya ng Quezon City. Education, college, Bachelor of Arts and Communication, Ateneo de Manila University. Bachelor of Laws, San Beda University, University of the East, mga idol. Yung kanyang job, lawyer, singer o songwriter, member PDP Laban noong 2002, host Ngayong Gabi with Jimmy B noong 2022 hanggang 2024. Radio host, The R&B Show, 97.9 Home Radio noong 2004 po, mga idol. Celebrity mentor, Bida Kapamilya, It's Showtime, ABS-CBN noong 2013, mga idol. At naging judge ng Twist and Shout ABS-CBN noong 2010. Government experience. Member Board of Directors, PAGCOR 2021 hanggang 2022. Vice President for Corporate Social Responsibility Group, PAGCOR noong 2017 hanggang 2021. Assistant Vice President for Entertainment, PAGCOR noong 2016 hanggang 2017. Policy focus o yung kanyang plataforma, push for anti-corruption policies, improvement of the music and entertainment industry, in favor, press freedom, protection of West Philippine Sea, against to divorce, to extension of term limits, impeachment of VP Sara Duterte, ayan, with reservation, Pogo ban. So, yung mga binasa ko po ay lima sila na mga binasa kong una. At kung mapapansin niyo po, sila pong lima ay mga abogado. Ayan. May 5 pong abogado na kandidato ang PDP Laban, mga idol. Kaya karapat-dapat lamang po sila na maluklok sa Senado kasi ang mga senador po ay gumagawa ng batas. At ito pong mga abogadong ito ay alam natin na mayroon po silang alam sa batas. Kaya karapat-dapat lang po sila na maluklok sa Senado. So ituloy po natin at isunod natin itong si Bato de la Rosa. Ayan. Political Party PDP Laban. Basic information, yung kanyang edad po ay 62 na po itong si Ronald Bato de la Rosa. At residente po siya ng Davao City. Education, high school, Santa Cruz National High School. At college, Bachelor of Science in Public Administration, Mindanao State University, Philippine Military Academy. Postgrad, Masters in Public Administration, University of Southern Philippines. PhD in Development Administration, University of Southeastern Philippines. Yung kanyang job, Vice President for Mindanao, PDP Laban. At member hugpo ng pagbabago. Government experience, Senator noong 2019 hanggang sa kasalukuyan po. Director General Bureau of Correction noong 2018. Naging Chief of Police PNP noong 2016 hanggang 2018 po mga idol. At member ng PNP Board of Inquiry Mama Sapano Clash noong 2015. Director Davao City Police Office noong 2012 hanggang 2013. Yung kanyang mga law pass, ayan, mga naipasang batas. Republic Act 11589, Bureau of Fire Protection Modernization Act. Republic Act 11549, PNP Bureau of Fire, BGNP and Bucor Height Equality Act. Republic Act 11479, the Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020. Republic Act 11463, Malasakit Centers Act. Ayan, policy focus o kanyang plataforma ay peace and order, war versus drugs, law enforcement, in favor same-sex union, anti-terror law, death penalty, mandatory ROTC, legalization of medical marijuana, against to divorce, to impeachment of VP Sara Duterte. So isunod po natin itong si Senador Bongo. Political Party PDP Laban. Basic information, yung kanyang edad po ay 50 na. At resident po siya ng Lupon, Davao Oriental. Education, high school, Lasal Green Hills. At yung nag-college po siya, managed degree, di Lasal University, did not finish, hindi niya natapos. Bachelor of Arts Marketing, Ateneo de Manila University. Job, Auditor PDP Laban. Member, Federalismo ng Dugong Dakilang Samahan noong 2021. Naging miyembro din po ng Hukbo ng Pagbabago noong 2019. Former player, Muntinlupa Kegers, Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Government experience, Senator noong 2019 hanggang sa kasalukuyan po. Head Presidential Management Staff noong 2016 hanggang 2018. Special Assistant to the President noong 2016 hanggang 2018. Executive Assistant to former Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte noong 1998 hanggang 2016, mga idol. At yung kanyang mga naipasang batas, Republic Act 11463, Malasakit Center Act. Republic Act 11641, Department of Migrant Workers Act. Republic Act 11934, SIM Card Registration Act. Siya pala yung nagpasa. Republic Act 11861, Expanded Solo Parent Act. Republic Act 11589, Bureau of Fire Protection Modernization Act. At yung kanyang mga plataforma ay peace and order, war versus drug, sports, health and nutrition, youth development. In pabor po siya sa same-sex marriage, same-sex union, anti-terror law, death penalty, mandatory ROTC. At against po sa divorce, legalization of medical marijuana, impeachment of VP Sara Duterte. Ayan, family members and politics, si Dr. Richard Mata. Uncle niya pala ito, si Dr. Mata. So, isunod po natin yung kanyang uncle, si Dr. Mata. Ayan, si Dr. Richard Mata. Ayan, Mata Doc Marites. Marites pala yung kanyang pangalan. Political party, independent, pero inadapt po siya ng PDP Laban. Ayan, basic information, yung edad po nitong si Doc Mata ay 52 na po mga idol. At residente po ng Davao City. Education, college, medicine, Davao Medical School Foundation. Postgrad, pediatric residency, San Pedro Hospital. Job, pediatrician, social media personality, former consultant for Dengue World Health Organization, former Homa visiting pediatrician for Kitty Duterte, former main radio doctor, Davao City Disaster Radio. Government experience nitong si Doc Mata ay second nominee Kabayan Party List noong 2022. Consultant Department of Health noong 2016 hanggang 2017. Family members in politics, si Bongo Nipcho. At yung kanyang mga plataforma ay healthcare reform, children welfare, pre-medical services, stronger approach versus dengue, in favor sa anti-terror law, defending PhilHealth budget, K-12 removal. At against po siya sa impeachment of VP Sara Duterte. So isunod po natin itong yung leader po ng POGC o Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Ito pong si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, mga idol. Ayan. Political party, independent. Itong si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, pero inadapt po siya ng PDP Laban at inendorse po ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ayan, basic information. Ang edad po ni Pastor Kibuloy ay 74. 74 na po si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. At residente po ng Davao City. Education, college, theology, United Pentecostal Bible Institute, Apostolic Center for Theological Studies. Job, evangelist o preacher. Guest 2025 senatorial candidate PDP Laban. Member Workers and Peasant Party Tolentino Wing. Spiritual advisor former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Founder Kingdom of Jesus Christ, the name above every name. Incorporated. Founder Sunshine Media Network International o SMNI. Founder Sunshine Philippines Movement. Founder Children's Joy Foundation Incorporated. Founder and President Jose Maria College. Former member United Pentecostal Church of the Philippines. Dati pala siyang miyembro ng United Pentecostal Church. Itong si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Ayan. Yung kanyang mga plataforma po ay Make the Philippines a first world country. Push for anti-corruption policies. War versus communism. Establishment of a Truth Commission. Ayan. At pabor po siya sa death penalty. ABCBN shutdown. Ayan. against to divorce and to impeachment of VP Sara Duterte. At isunod po natin itong si Philip Salvador, mga idol. Ayan, political party, PDP Laban. At ang edad po ni Philip Salvador ay 71 na po si Philip Salvador, mga idol. At residente po siya ng Pasig City. Education, no information available. Job, member PDP Laban noong 2024 hanggang sa kasalukuyan po, mga idol. Member Nationalist People's Coalition noong 2016. Aktor noong 1965 hanggang sa kasalukuyan po. Government experience, Bulacan, Vice Gubernatorial Candidate 2016. Yung kanyang mga plataforma po ay Peace and Order, War versus Drugs, More Rehabilitation Center for Drug Addicts, and PBOR, Anti-Terror Law, Death Penalty, War versus Drug, at against po siya sa impeachment of VP Sara Duterte. Ayan, kung papayagan niyo po ako, mga idol, ay isunod po natin itong si Gringo Nasan, mga idol. Ayan, ito pong si Gregorio Gringo Nasan ay political party, Reform PH. At yung basic information po niya ay yung kanyang edad ay 76 na po itong si Gringo Nasan. Residence, Marikina City. Education, grade school, San Beda College, Dominican School, Taipei, Taiwan. High School, Don Bosco Technical College. College, Bachelor of Science, Philippine Military Academy, Master of Business Management, Asian Institute of Management. Job, retired military colonel. Dati pala siyang militar. Itong si Gringo Nasan. Leader Reform PH People's Party 2024. Member Uniteam Alliance 2021 to 2022. Member United Nationalist Alliance 2012 noong 20 hanggang 2021. Board member Northern Mindanao Development Bank 1983 hanggang 1986. President Beatrice Marketing Company noong 1983 hanggang 1986. President Jacinto Group of Companies 1983 hanggang 1986. Founder, Reform the Armed Forces Movement. Government Experience, Senatorial Candidate 2022. Secretary DICT 2019 hanggang 2021. Vice Presidential Candidate noong 2016. Senator Judge Impeachment of C.G. Corona 2012. Senator Judge Impeachment of President Estrada noong 2001. Senator noong 1995 hanggang 2004. 2007 hanggang 2019. Chief of Security of Defense Ministry Juan Ponce Enrile noong 1981 hanggang 1986, mga idol. Aide the Camp of Defense Minister Juan Ponce Enrile noong 1974 hanggang 1979, mga idol. Law pass, yung kanyang mga batas na naipasa ay Republic Act 9003, Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, Republic Act 10591, Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act, Republic Act 10631, Philippine Animal Welfare Act, Republic Act 11037, Masustansyang Pagkain para sa Batang Pilipino Act, Ayan. Yung kanyang mga plataforma po ay national security, digital transformation, pushing for freedom of information, peace and order, in favor federalism, against to divorce, to same-sex marriage, and to death penalty, mga idol. So kung papayagan po nyo rin po ako, ay isasama po natin itong si Busita, si Bonifacio Busita bilang pang-12. Ayan, ito pong si Busita Bonifacio ay political party, independent po siya, mga idol. Basic information, 59 na po yung kanyang edad at residente po siya ng ng Silang Cavite. Education, college, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Job, road safety advocate, retired police lieutenant colonel, highway patrol group PNP. Founder, Rider Safety Advocates of the Philippines. Government experience, representative, One Rider Party List noong 2022 hanggang sa kasalukuyan po. Former Public Information Office Chief, Cavite Provincial Police Office. Former Chief of Police, Rosario Municipal Office, mga idol. At yung kanyang mga basa na naipatas, mga batas na naipasa. House Bill 3366, Fair Traffic Apprehension Act. House Bill 4545, Consumers Rights Protection in the Purchase Motorcycle Act. House Bill 5115, Discipline and Safety Education Act. Policy and focus. Yung kanyang mga plataforma po ay road safety, disciplining police officers, advocate for laws protecting riders, in favor, jeepney modernization, pogo ban, transportation reform. So lahat po ng mga binasa ko ay sila po yung mga mga matataas sa survey, nangunguna sa survey, lalong-lalo na po yung 10 kandidato ng PDP Laban. Sila po yung mga nangunguna ngayon sa survey. Sa inilabas po nating survey result ng Archlight Facebook page noong nakaraan nating upload. So kung nagustuhan po ninyo yung ating isinagawang video ngayon, ay paki-like po ng ating video at mag-subscribe na din po kayo, mga idol, para po maging updated po kayo sa bawat video na ating pong i-upload. Ayan. So ngayon nakilala po natin yung mga tunay na pagkatao nitong mga kandidato po ng PDP Laban o mga kandidato na pambato po ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, na ang karamihan po sa kanila ay mga abogado at may alam sa batas. Kaya karapat-dapat lang po sila na maluklok sa Senado. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at ingat po tayong lahat.